Instagram account on Pinterest. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Instagram account to your Pinterest account. Then you can all the posts you make on Instagram to appear on your Pinterest account as well. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel there are other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. So let's go guys. For you to add your Instagram account on Pinterest, you're going to enter this website, eds.pinterest.com. Here on the channel, there is already a video showing the entire step-by-step on how to create your account on Pinterest Edge. If you have any questions guys, you can click on the description of this video now. And I'll also leave a card for you to click on in case you have any questions about creating your account. Once you've created your account, you'll go to the account overview. So this right here is the overview of my professional Pinterest Edge account. How do I add my Instagram account? You're going to come over here on this little down arrow and you're going to have the option here for settings. So you're going to click here on settings. In settings, you're going to come here to this side menu and you're going to have some options for managing the account, creating pins, and more. But what we want guys is going to be here, connected accounts. In addition to Instagram, you can add a Shopify account and also add a website. I'm going to click here on Instagram, click here to claim. You will log into your Instagram account. Click here on the account to log in. And you'll get a security code if you've set up Google Authenticator. Here you can save your account information in this browser. I'm going to click here to save. And it's linking my Instagram account to Pinterest. The first option here for profile information is mandatory. You can't mess with it. And the second one here guys is the content that's optional. If you enable this option here, this toggle, Pinterest will also have access to your videos and posts you share. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to leave it here as enabled and click allow. And that's it guys, account successfully linked. Here it shows the account that has been linked to your Pinterest. And here guys, it's also interesting for you to enable publish future publications on the profile. You need to enable it here, and you can also include your Instagram posts in the last 90 days. So clicking here to allow. Then it'll start importing your Pinterest posts. Were you able to link? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it there. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks guys.